all. So in today's class we'll see a few more problems on the case where the roots are complex. So the first question is, find the general solution of the system of equations. So the first question is dx by dt equal to x minus 4y and dy by dt equal to x plus y. Okay. So first of all, let x equal to a e raised to lambda t and y equal to b e raised to lambda t be solution of the system. So since it is solution, it will satisfy the system. So you will get a lambda e raised to lambda t equal to a e raised to lambda t minus 4b e raised to lambda t, and the second equation will be b lambda e raised to lambda t equal to a e raised to lambda t plus b e raised to lambda t. So e raised to lambda t will cancel off on both sides, so you will get a into 1 minus lambda minus 4b equal to 0 and a plus b 1 minus lambda equal to 0. So therefore the system has a non-trivial solution. So it will have a non-trivial solution when the determinant 1 minus lambda minus 4 1 minus lambda is equal to 0. So that implies 1 minus lambda whole square plus 4 equal to 0. So that will give 1 minus lambda square equal to minus 4. So we are going to get 1 minus lambda equal to plus or minus 2i. So that will give lambda equal to 1 plus or minus 2i varum. So those are the roots of the equation. So we have got the roots lambda equal to 1 plus or minus 2i. Now we will substitute. So put lambda equal to 1 plus 2i in this equation. So this will be the equation 1. So you will get a into 1 minus 2i plus then you have minus 4b equal to 0. Then the second equation is a plus b into 1 minus lambda. So a plus b 1 minus 1 minus 2i equal to 0. So that will give us minus 2i a minus 4b equal to 0 and a minus 2i b equal to 0. So put a equal to 2i and b equal to 1. It will satisfy both the equations. Rand equation satisfy cheyum. So a will be equal to 2i and b will be equal to 1. So therefore a is equal to 2i. So this will satisfy the equation. ഇപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് എൻ്റെയും ബിയുടെ വാല്യൂ കിട്ടി. So therefore now we have x equal to 2i e raised to 1 plus 2i t and y is equal to b is equal to 1. So e raised to 1 plus 2y t. So we have got a e raised to lambda t and b e raised to lambda t. ഇനി നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യുന്നതാണ് ഇതിനെ real and imaginary part ആയിട്ട് split ചെയ്യും. But if this is a solution, then the real part will also satisfy the equation and the imaginary part also will satisfy the equation. So that will give us the two required linearly independent solutions. So that is 2y e raised to t. അപ്പോൾ ഓയിലർ ഫോർമുല വെച്ച് എക്സ്പാൻഡ് ചെയ്യുക. സോ സൈൻ 2t and y will be equal to e raised to t into cos 2t plus I sin 2t. So that implies x will be equal to 2 e raised to t into minus sin 2t plus I cos 2t varum, and y will be equal to so the real part is e raised to t cos 2t plus I e raised to t sin 2t. So therefore the two linearly independent solutions are, so you will get x equal to minus 2 e raised to t sin 2t and y is e raised to t cos 2t, അതായത് റിയൽ പാർട്ട് രണ്ടും എടുക്കുക, and the imaginary part will give the second set of linearly independent solutions. So that is e raised to 2 e raised to t cos 2t and y is equal to e raised to t sin 2t. Now write the linear combination of this. So therefore the general solution is, so x of t will be equal to c1. So you have minus 2 e raised to t sin 2t, minus 2 e raised to t sin 2t plus c2 2 e raised to t cos 2t varum, and y of t will be equal to y of t in the value okay, so you will get c1 e raised to t cos 2t plus c2 e raised to t sin 2t. So this is the required general solution. So let us see one more problem. So the next question is dx by dt equal to x minus 3y and dy by dt equal to 3x plus y. So again let x equal to a e raised to lambda t and y equal to b e raised to lambda t be solution of the system. So therefore it will satisfy the system. So you will get a lambda e raised to lambda t equal to a e raised to lambda t minus 3 b e raised to lambda t varum. അതുപോലെ രണ്ടാമത്തെ equation b lambda e raised to lambda t will be equal to 3a e raised to lambda t plus d e raised to lambda t. So that will give us the equations. So you will get a 1 minus lambda minus 3b equal to 0 കിട്ടും, and 3a plus 1 minus lambda b equal to 0. So for non-trivial solution, so non-trivial solution is obtained when the determinant 1 minus lambda minus 3, 3, 1 minus lambda is equal to 0, so that gives 1 minus lambda whole square plus 9 equal to 0. So we are going to get 1 minus lambda equal to plus or minus 3i varum. So lambda will be 1 plus or minus 3i. So that is the required solution. So the roots are required roots. The roots are imaginary. So now substitute one of the roots in this equation to obtain a and b. So put lambda equal to, so let us call this equation as 1. So put lambda equal to 1 plus 3i. So that will give a 1 plus 3i varumbam minus 3i varum, then minus 3b equal to 0, and we will have 3a minus 3ib equal to 0. So that is minus ia minus b equal to 0 varum, then a minus ib equal to 0. So if you put a equal to I and b equal to 1, it will satisfy both the equations. The equation രണ്ടാമത്തെ equation satisfy ചെയ്യും. So therefore x is equal to I e raised to 1 plus 3i t, and y is equal to e raised to 1 plus 3i t. So that is the solution in the form a e raised to lambda t and b e raised to lambda t. And now we will write the real and imaginary parts. Okay, so you have x equal to I e raised to 1 plus 3i t കിട്ടും, and y is equal to e raised to 1 plus 3i t. So that implies, so x of t is I e raised to t cos 3t plus I sin 3t varum, and y of t is e raised to t again cos 3t plus I sin 3t. So now take the real parts in both and the imaginary parts in both. Therefore the two linearly independent solutions will be അത് രണ്ട് സെപ്പറേറ്റ് ആയിട്ട് എടുത്തെഴുതുക. ഓക്കെ, സോ എക്സ് ആദ്യത്തേതിൽ റിയൽ പാർട്ട് എന്ന് പറയുന്ന മൈനസ് ഇ റേസ് ടു ടി സൈൻ 3t വരും. രണ്ടാമത്തേതിൽ y ഈക്വൽ ടു ഇ റേസ് ടു ടി കോസ് 3t, ആൻഡ് the imaginary part will be e raised to t cos 3t, and y is e raised to t sin 3t. So therefore the general solution will be now the linear combination of this. So general solution is x of t will be c1 minus e raised to t sin 3t plus c2 e raised to t cos 3t, and y of t is c1 e raised to t cos 3t plus c2 e raised to t sin 3t. So this is the required general solution.